So out of the 4 built-in data types in Python, we've completed 3. This is the 4th one. This is dictionary in Python. Let's get started. So let's start by defining a dictionary. I'm going to just name my dictionary something equal to, and these curly parentheses is how you are going to define a dictionary. I'm going to start, and that is going to be a name value followed by a semicolon followed by whatever is the value. So let's go by Tom, separated by a comma, age, and age is going to be a number, so say like 21, comma again. So what I want you all to understand is the dictionary is supporting strings also, integer values also. Say graduate, and I'm setting it equal to false, so it is also taking in boolean values without any problem. Now if I had to print this out, print and dict, let's print this out now. So you can see name Tom, age 21, school MIT, and graduate false. So here this name becomes the key and Tom is the value. So for dictionaries, one thing that you have to understand is that this follows the key value pair format. Okay, so it is completely different from your lists or sets or tuples. This is following a key value pair. That means that if you want to find a value, you can just have like print dict, and then you can just write name, and then it is going to give you Tom. Let's try that out. You can see Tom getting printed over here, right? So this is how you can get values when you know what the key is. Okay, let's look at the length also. So that is going to be print len 4. 1 2 3 4 4 values, that is like 4 key value pairs. That is why the length is 4. Now if we were to see what is the type, simple class dictionary, right? Let's talk about a few properties of dictionary. Dictionary is ordered. Earlier in Python 3.6 they were unordered, but now when we are using Python 3.7 it is ordered. Okay, another thing that you need to know is that these are changeable. That means you can make changes in this, you can alter the values. Tuples on the other hand are unchangeable. You cannot make changes in tuples, but you can use a concept called tuple constructor. Similarly, here also we have a concept of dictionary constructor. Let's look at that now. So I was trying to find a way to show you guys the tuple constructor, but I don't have that code on me right now. Anyways, so let's just understand what dictionary constructor is. Dictionary constructor is another method through which you can make a dictionary. Very simple, right? I want to name my dictionary to be this diction. Okay, and I'm setting it equal to dict, and I'm giving it a series of like a set of values. So name is equal to Tom, and then say age is equal to 21, college is equal to MIT. Oh, okay, I didn't do that. Okay, so now, and I'm trying to print this diction now. Let's look at that. This is now a dictionary. If you remember, this is a set of values, right? What I'm doing in this is I'm applying this dict. This is what this is, a dictionary constructor. If you don't remember, we've already dealt with tuple constructor. This is the link, go check it out. Let's try to understand how we can retrieve or access the elements from this dictionary. So I'm starting, what if I want to get the value of say country? We've already dealt with this, so I'm just going to assign a new variable to it, say x, and then x is going to be whatever is the name of the dictionary, and then in square brackets whatever value you want to find. Like for example, here I want to find the country, so I'm just going to go ahead and print the result out. So you can see Norway. So what we are able to do is from the key we are able to obtain the value of it. Right now what we can do is, instead of this, we can also use the get function. So that is going to be something like dict, that is the name of your dictionary, then dot get, and inside of parentheses I can have this value over here. So this is what, this is the key, right? So the output should be 36. Let's look at this now. I'm getting 36. So let's look at how to get the keys, all of the keys, right? So that is going to be something like x equals name of the dictionary, and then I'm going to have dot keys over here. So dot keys is going to get all of the key values. Okay, now let's look at the output. You get dictionary keys, and then inside that you've got name, age, country, and your college. Now same way, if I want to get like the values, Let's see if this works. You get the values as well. I mentioned we can make changes in them also. What I can do here is I'll just show you guys how you can make these changes, and then you'll see what we can do. So I want to say make changes in the age is not 36, it's like 25. So I'm just going to have the name of the dictionary in square parenthesis. I want to make changes in age, and the age is actually 25. Now I've made the changes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to print X again. Before making changes, the age was 36. After I've made changes, the age is 25. You can see over here. Right? These are a few minor things that you can do. Is this possible? Making changes possible in tuples? Let me know what you think. That is it for now. In the next video, which will be, I think, in like a day or so, we are going to learn how we can maybe add items and remove items from a dictionary, and how to loop dictionaries, etc. I have my exams coming up, so the videos might be a little late, but I'm trying to be consistent. That is it. Bye bye.